In this problem, we are given the following circuit diagram. We're told that the op-amp is ideal, and we're told that a voltmeter capable of a full-scale reading of the 10 volts is used to measure the output voltage of the circuit. We need to tell them what is the reading of the voltage. So basically, we need to get V naught, because the VM will be reading our V naught. When we look at this, we have our inverted terminal and our non-inverted terminal. We know that we have a current source right here, and our current is going to be flowing this way into here. We know that since the op-amp is ideal, no current will be flowing into our op-amp, so it'll have to go this way. We're going to get the voltage from this 3.3 mega ohm resistor. We're going to say that our voltage is equal to 2.5 times microamps, and we need to make this amps. So to get this to be amps, we are going to multiply it by 10 to the negative 6th over 1 micro. And then this is being multiplied by our resistance, which is 3.3 mega ohms. And we know 1 mega is equal to 10 to the 6th. So we have these, we're going to cancel out like terms. The u's will cancel out, the 10 to the negative 6 and this 10 to the 6 will cancel out, and the megas are going to cancel out. So that's going to leave us with a 2.5 times our 3.3 amps times ohms, and this is going to give us a voltage of 8.25. Now we know that this is a inverted amplifier circuit because our I for the inverted, the negative, is on top. So that means we have some voltage flowing out of our output back into our op-amp. And we know our voltage, or V naught, is going into the positive and out of the negative, like this. So we have a node here, and then we know that since our current, our 2.5 microamps, is flowing to the right, and we know that our voltage will be flowing to the left, that our volts, the volts that we just found, the V is equal to 8.25, is actually a negative 8.25, again because they are going in opposite directions. Now we're going to deal with our V naught. Our V naught is going out of the node that we made, so it's positive. We have a positive V naught. And then we know the voltage that's going out this way is also positive. So we're going to have a plus negative 8.25 volts, and that's equal to 0. So we can just move our constant over and say V naught is equal to 8.25 volts. And that will be the answer for this problem. If you want more problems like this, there'll be a playlist in the description full of introduction to circuit analysis problems, as well as notes that'll help study for this material.